Shadim Shari. It's gonna be a bloody hell today. Who knows? Who knows? It's gonna be some crazy. There was some crazy on Bitcoin. I spoke about Bitcoin Saturday, but hey, things take a turn for the worse, which I put more money into my account. The last time I bought Bitcoin at 92 or lower was here. Okay, keep in mind this is Bitcoin futures, so it's slightly higher than the actual price. Bitcoin future is roughly maybe 1% higher. Regardless, I went in last night when I saw Bitcoin drop to 92, right below 92 last night. Back here, I have ordered in at 90 and 88, and those orders are still there, right? So I still have money in the account to add Bitcoin at 90 and 88. I have nothing below 88 because I just don't have anything. If it happen, I will buy. It would be crazy to see Bitcoin below 80, and boy, would I buy a whole lot. I might even buy a whole half a Bitcoin if that happened. No, but that's not gonna happen. Not right now. So what I did yesterday was, after dinner last night, when I saw Bitcoin drop below 92, I added order at 91, as well as more order above 90. So it was like, I think I put in 91.5 as well as 91 and transfer in more money. But I woke up this morning, and for now, who knows what's gonna happen at 9:30 a.m. or at 7 a.m. I think by 7 a.m. you're gonna start to see big movement in the market, pre-market, because for some people they can't trade until 7 a.m. It is what it is. So yeah, it is what it is, right? For those that don't have enough Bitcoin, take this as a gift. I will have, given where things are, I could be adding a dime worth of Bitcoin by Friday with my puts. Now I can always roll those puts because they are very tight spread. When I sell spread on iBit, well, I wouldn't call it tight. If you call a $2 spread tight, I don't think so. But yeah, iBit, as of right now, those are in the money. My spread was, well, I have one naked puts and I have one spread, and that's fine. I was doing 57, 55. That was the spread. So we'll see where things shake out to be, and I don't have any problem adding here at 56 even. But now I don't need to go buy the share. I just let the put be assigned. So yeah, I have plenty of iBit at this point. Now the one I do plan to take action today is, of course, MicroStrategy. Can this thing get close to 300? Now I have not bought any share. The last time I bought share of MicroStrategy was I believe 306 on this day right here. On this day right here, I bought some at 306, and before that I bought MicroStrategy down here in the 280 something. I think it was 285 was my order on this dip here. So I bought MicroStrategy twice, and would I buy share again if I see 306? The answer is yes. I believe I have an order in at 305, so we'll see. I left that order in since right here. I bought at 305, 306, and then I was trying to buy more at 305, and it never triggered. It bounced, and then I left that order there. So that order is still there. The way E-Trade has it is, if I put in a good to cancel, they do cancel. They do expire, which is kind of silly. I wish good to cancel order on E-Trade does not get expire, but they do get expire. But for now, it's still there. But what's going to happen is, based on what's going on here, I believe the 275 put spread is going to be back in play. So that is definitely back in play. Should MicroStrategy open 9:30 in the 315, 316 ish, because they will be juicy for sure. This Friday and next Friday I can start to do that again, because in the past that's what I have done. On big dip I was able to sell puts going out 2 weeks for decent money, anywhere from 70 cents and higher. You know, I take 70, 90 cents. I think the best I got was 90 cents. That was on this big dip here. Those puts get to be super juicy. Same thing with I'm glad I held off on trading anything on SMLR. As tempting as it was, I look at the puts Friday and I said, well, let's give it until this week. And I'm glad I did. I hold off last Friday to do the 45-40, and I think today the 40-35 is gonna be super juicy going out. 3 weeks expiration. That is gonna be in play, right? So take a look at that. Feb 21st. Yeah, on this big drop, the 40-35 will likely carry, I would say, at least 60 cents, if not 75 cents. Okay, so yeah, that will definitely be, and I would not mind at all swallowing up 100 share more of SMLR at the gap fill. That would be a thing of beauty. So yes, 40-35 spread will be sold today here. Only question is, can I get 75 cents? Who knows, it might be even higher based on where the stock is. Okay, so yeah, patience will pay off. Okay, that's it. Before I go, quick commentary on the situation with Mexico and Canada. As I stated many times, President Trump has used tariff as a negotiation tool back in 2016. This is not new. Okay, he has had tariff on things from China and Mexico in order to get some of the things that he wants done. So this is the same playbook that he has done before, and he talked about tariff before the election. So anyone that is surprised or worried, let things play out. If this is what we need to get done in order to get other countries to cooperate, that's a key term, cooperation. That's what President Trump wants, cooperation on a northern and southern border. It is that simple. If they don't want to cooperate, what's the reason? Besides wanting to hurt America as far as letting drugs and illegal immigrants cross the border. What is the reason for other countries to say, nope, we are not going to do anything to strengthen outside of the border? What is the reason? Other than to harm America. It is that simple. So if you don't care about the crimes, the illegal immigrants, the drugs, you rather have low prices on some things like guacamole. Ooh. Well, like I said, this happened before, back in 2016, 2017, and then things stabilize. Let the fear give you the opportunities to buy some stuff for cheap. Hey, we don't know. I didn't know that I would get a chance to buy Bitcoin again at 92. I wish I was fast enough to enter in the order, but by the time I scrambled in to put in the order, it already bounced. But no, buy the dips.